the Warriors thinking on this? Why should he run to the ring and save Hogan?
The Ultimate Warrior in there with Hulk Hogan. What's going on? The Hulkster wanting no part of the Warrior. Warrior crisscrossing the ring. What's he going to do? This man is... Wait a minute. Clothesline. Here it comes from behind. He stopped. Wait. What's going on?
We may get WrestleMania before WrestleMania.
No, the Warrior's gone. Just like that, he came down and helped the Hulkster